and welcome back to MBBS to the channel. In this video, we are going to have a very short informations regarding the summary of violation of acid and base balance. Okay, this video is going to help you in CROC because some of the questions are framed according to the given informations that I am going to share with you. Okay, so let's have our video. Okay, so the violation of the acid and base balance are divided into two types. What are they? It can be acidosis and alkalosis. So it is determined according to the change in blood pH. If the blood pH will decrease from the normal value, then it will lead to a condition arising acidemia. And when it will increase from normal value, then it will be called as alkalemia. So it can be alternatively called as acidosis condition and it can be called as alkalosis condition. Okay, so next comes that if these conditions are occurring, then how we are going to understand from the questions, because in the questions there will be given specific entity, specific situations that we are going to see. First of all, this acidosis can be represented by two entities, that can be partial pressure of carbon dioxide and bicarbonate. If the partial pressure of carbon dioxide will increase from the normal, it means it is a condition of respiratory acidosis. And at which situation this arises? It arises at hypoventilation and respiratory failure. When the person loses the ability to have proper amount of respiration, it means hypoventilation condition, respiratory failure due to injury of lung tissue, then there will be increasing in the partial pressure of carbon dioxide and that will lead to respiratory acidosis. Next condition comes where this acidosis can also be related with the concentration of bicarbonate ion. When there will be decreasing in the concentration of bicarbonate ion, then it will be called as metabolic acidosis. And this occurs when there will be excessive diarrhea and hypersalivation. Due to loss of bicarbonate ions in the diarrhea, we see the acidosis condition because there will be increasing in HCl productions or HCl preservations inside the body. Next comes the alkalemia condition or alkalosis condition. Similarly, this also can be represented by two entities, that is through partial pressure of carbon dioxide and concentration of bicarbonate ions. So when the partial pressure of carbon dioxide will decrease, then we are going to say it as respiratory alkalosis. And when it arises during hyperventilation, when we exhale more amount of carbon dioxide than the normal amount, during excessive physical strain and mountain disease. Okay, this condition arises when there will be excessive loss of carbon dioxide during exhalation. That will lead to decreasing in the partial pressure of carbon dioxide. Next, when there will be increasing in the concentration of bicarbonate ion due to continuous vomiting, then it will lead to metabolic alkalosis, because continuous vomiting will helps to losing of excessive chloride ions that are being produced by the HCl secretions or gastric juice secretions. And when we lose this excess amount of chloride ions through the vomiting, then this bicarbonate ions are preserved inside our body and its value increases, and then we are going to call it as metabolic alkalosis. Okay, so these factors are going to be given in the questions, and according to the questions you have to mark the answers. Okay, these factors are also sometimes associated in the questions. Okay,